Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on BeReal application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and to download BeReal application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, if you do have it on your phone, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. Of course, if you don't have it on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android, App Store if you have an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So after that, you would like to go and sign in, of course, if you don't have an account, as we said, and if you do have, just log in, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my BeReal application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this steps tutorial. So here, if you actually want to change your username, that first of all, that will be actually your home screen, and if you want, I can tell you about the concept of this BeReal application. So people actually have one post per day, and they actually post picture of themselves, a selfie with another picture. Of course, they actually take picture with the front camera and the back camera at the same time and post it maybe to everyone or to just friends. So how you can actually change your username? So let me just go here and click at my icon at the top right corner. So here, of course, you can just go again and click at the top right corner, three dots there. So as you can see here, you will find here several options. You'll find informations, configurations, help, and legal. So as you can see here, I don't have the option of changing my username. So let me just go back, and it's gonna be here. So just tap at your profile picture. Of course, if nothing appears, you'd like to go and click at edit my profile, because iPhone users, if they just click on the profile picture, will open this edit profile. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to change your username. So let me just do this username and click at the right button or the check button, and as you can see here, cancel and keep my current username, or if you want to leave it as I do, just click at the check button. So for me, I'll just cancel and keep my current username because I'm actually comfortable with my current username. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.